Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Lobster Mushroom in Windrose. Now currently on my map right now, I'm on the very first Curse Swamp region on my world. In case you're wondering how you can get to this place, once you've finished over on your discovery, once you've finished the local threat over on the foothills right here, you're more likely going to get a quest called the Forgotten Relics. If you check over to your map, the Forgotten Relics will point you towards your very first Curse Swamp region. So as long as you get this quest, you won't have a problem finding this region on your world. Now to be able to find Lobster Mushroom on the region, thankfully they are pretty easy to find because they do come in bright yellow shades as you can see right here. This is pretty much right next to the shore, but it could also be found deep inside the swamp. But if you don't want to be in any danger, I would recommend just finding these at the edge of the coast. Once you've discovered Lobster Mushroom, you are going to unlock the recipes for food. And they are pretty good since they are in the rare level. Another thing that you can do once you've unlocked Lobster Mushroom is over on the cooking category right here on your build mode, you'll be able to make the supplies rack right over here since you also need 5 pieces of the Lobster Mushroom along with some nuts, salt, coffee beans, and hardwood. It's important you get this because this is also a cooking fire upgrade. And that's pretty much about it on how to find Lobster Mushroom in Windrose.